Tantanan! Jumbo chicken patty. Yes, you can see the jumbo chicken patty. Lemon tea. And yes, of course, chicken tarts are ready to serve. Now my daughter will be super happy. Isn't it?
Yes, Mom.
Now I will share you some interesting facts about baking. Baking began in ancient Greece around 600 BC, leading to the invention of enclosed ovens. Later, the Romans were getting involved into evolution of baking. Then the whole world got to experience baking. Now I will share you my baking story with you. Let's go to my kitchen. Come on. Welcome friends to my kitchen. I have taken 250 grams of minced chicken. I have chopped veggies, tomatoes, onion and capsicums, chilies and grated garlic. I have taken silicone molds for the tart. If you don't have molds, then you can use aluminium bowls. Now you can see the puff patties dough. This video is already uploaded in my channel previously. The link is on the description box. Let's start the process. The ingredients are tomato sauce, butter, mayonnaise, salt, sugar, red chili and turmeric powder. I will cook the stuffing in mustard oil. The pan is ready. Now I am adding chopped ginger, chopped chilies. Stir them well. I know you are mastering it. A good aroma comes out. Now I will add chopped onions. I am adding chopped tomatoes and capsicums. If you are a vegetarian person, then you can add many kinds of veggies, whatever you like to eat. You can also add paneer, mushrooms, soyabeans, etc. Now I am adding salt, sugar, red chili and turmeric powder according to my taste. Many of my friends likes to eat less spicy food. They can use less spices in this stuffing. After adding the water, you cook the stuffing for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. When the water dried up, you can add the main ingredients of the stuffing like minced chicken, grated paneer, mushroom pieces or smashed potatoes, whatever your child likes. I like to add tomato sauce in the stuffings because it enhances the stuffing's taste. And next I am adding minced chicken. My child like to eat chicken patties. If your child do not like the chicken or mutton or egg, then you can add paneer, mushrooms. Every time I am saying that the chicken is the medium. You can change the medium according to your choice. While you are cooking the stuffing, then you can see the water is released from the stuffing, from chicken, from veggies. You have to cook it patiently for 10 minutes. You can see the stuffing is already dried up. Now I will taste it. Yes, I need a pinch of salt. Again I am adding tomato sauce because previously I said I like to eat tomato sauce in the stuffing. Done. I am adding the secret ingredient of the patties. It is mayonnaise. When the stuffing is cooled down, then you should add the mayonnaise. Mix them well. It will enrich the taste of the patties. I will keep that stuffing in the freezer for 15 minutes. Next surprise is on the way. Don't go anywhere. Let's see the next process. I have taken out the dough from the fridge and keep aside for half an hour in room temperature. Now I am flattening the dough with the roller pin. You have to flatten the dough evenly. I don't have cookie cutter, so I am using a bowl for cutting the circles. Already I have prepared a mixture of egg and butter, which I will brush on the surface of the dough. I am washing the surface of the mold. I am filling the mold with the circle. Now I am filling up the dough with the chicken stuffings. Next I will lead the stuffing with another circle. I am giving a beautiful shape to the tart. After baking it will look very beautiful. The second one is on the way. Same procedure I am following. If you are a vegetarian person, then you can skip the egg part. You can only use butter. The second one is also ready. I am leading the tart with the circle and make the beautiful shape. I am reusing the dough by folding it, as you can see. Now I will make the third tart for me and a jumbo patties for everyone. Same procedure I am following. As you can see that I am now expert to making the third tart. I am using the leftover dough for making jumbo chicken patties. I have cut the dough into two equal parts. One part I am filling with chicken stuffings and other part I am using to cover the patties. I am opening some cuts with the help of knife. Actually, I want to make a chicken internet patties. Let's see what will come in my result. I paste that part with the help of water. Now I am covering the stuffing with that part. I am opening the cuts because it is not so open. Now I am brushing the patties with egg and butter. It enriches the color of the patties. I have preheated the oven over 175 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Oops, it's so heavy. Now I am placing all the tarts one by one. I will bake the patties and the tarts in OTG for 20 minutes. If you don't have OTG or micro oven, you can use your pressure cooker for baking. I have flipped the patties and tarts. Now I am closing the door. As you can see the beautiful color of the patties. It is because of the egg and butter wash. You have to keep an eye on your baking. After 10 minutes, they will be finally ready to serve. Baking process is done now. Now I have to check the patties. They looks little dry, so I am brushing some butter on the patties. Buttery smells come when you eat them. I will keep the patties inside the OTG for 10 minutes. The power is off now. They will set inside the OTG. Next I will serve it.
কি করছিস তোরা ওখানে? বাবা কি চলছে এখানে? আরে বাপ রে বাপ, এ তো দারুণ গন্ধ বেরিয়েছে। বাহ বাহ, খুব সুন্দর, দেখেও তো ভালোই লাগছে। কখন খেতে পারা যাবে বলতে?
চা বানিয়ে দিয়েছি, এখনই খেলে এক্ষুনি খাবে। এই তুই কখন খাবি?
এখনই।
আচ্ছা, দেখছেন কিরকম সব পাগলামি আরম্ভ করে দিয়েছে। ওরা আর বেশিক্ষণ থাকবে না এই প্লেটে, যতক্ষণ আমি ভিডিও করছি ততক্ষণই, ব্যাস এবার সব হাফিস। আপনারাও চটপট বানিয়ে নিন, দারুণ লাগবে খেতে, সত্যি বলছি, বাচ্চারা খুব খুশি হয়ে যাবে। টাটা, বাই বাই।